Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday, it is Renew Your Spirit Day, and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer is our routines. Morning routines are morning routine. Get up and do your morning routine, put your children through their routine. There is no paper and there is no laundry today, so it's just that one. So get up and wash your face, brush your teeth, make your bed, put on your moisturizer. If you had to take a shower, do that. Get your clothes on, fix your hair, put on a little makeup, put on your jewelry, a little perfume. Get yourself ready. Wipe the sink out, swish the toilet, go to the kitchen, empty the dishwasher, make a little coffee, make a little tea, have a little breakfast. Then go wake your children up feeling centered and complete. Then put your children through their morning routine. It'll be a lot easier when you feel that you've been taken care of. Next, it's Renew Your Spirit Day, so if you are one of those who practices your faith by going to worship, now's the time. So let's go on to church or to wherever you're going, and when you get back, we're going to have a nice family dinner, and after dinner, we're going to do an after dinner routine, and then before you go to bed tonight, you're going to do a before bed routine. Those are the 3 routines of the 5 today. Second layer. It is your base, it is your zone. Well, we don't have zones on Sunday, so no second layer. Third layer, the basic weekly plan, and that is Renew Your Spirit. You've already done it. So this is a great day of rest. There will be time in this day for you to rest, for you to take your planner and renew your planning, go back and see what you planned and what needs to be adjusted, and looking forward to a great week. Okay, so Sundays are really not busy days. Now, I realize that some of you work, and that's fine. You won't be able to do this. I also work sometimes on Sunday. This Sunday, I'll be taking care of my parents. I won't be able to go to church, but we have a Eucharistic minister who comes and brings communion, which is nice. My Sunday looks like this. It is Renew Your Spirit Day. I'm going to be taking care of my parents. I will have been there Saturday night, Sunday. I'm going to spend Sunday night, Monday, and Monday night, Tuesday and Tuesday night, and then Wednesday I'm back at my home. So I know already what that day looks like. I'm going to make breakfast, lunch, and dinner for my family. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm going to slip away and watch my granddaughter in a tap presentation, tap dancing for a life care center. And that is my day. I'm going to have probably some type of roast. I don't know yet. I've got to go back and look at their groceries. But I'll probably make a roast and maybe potatoes and some vegetable. And that's what we'll have. Okay. So what does your day look like? I hope you have a good day. And I hope you always remember that you are beautiful.